हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स टेक द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन सेज हमारे पास मैचिंग टाइप क्वेश्चन है चैप्टर वाइज. वी हैव टू मैच देम अकॉर्डिंगली, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स टेक द की कॉन्सेप्ट. Key concept is based on concepts of chemistry. Because there are few concepts given, इसलिए हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही बता सकते हैं कि which statement will match with another statement of the column number 2, right? So जो first statement है, it says energy of a massless particle. एक जो massless particle होता है उसकी एनर्जी को हम डिनोट करते हैं E is equal to pc, right? So इस फॉर्मूले से हम इसको डिनोट करते हैं and hence we can say it will go with C, that is 1 will go with C. Next we have second statement which says we have to find the work function. So how do we find work function? Basically work function ये बताता है कि मतलब अगर हम ऐसे बात करें कि मिनिमम एनर्जी लिबरेट करने के लिए हमें चाहिए एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को सरफेस ऑफ मेटल से, so we can say कि work function will work like this, right? So option number 2 will go with F. Then we have next, that is two values of psi and psi naught. One is psi and another is psi naught. These are the threshold energy, right? And we denote it with a square plus b square. That is 3 will go with a. Then we have number of lobes in a 3D orbital other than 3dz square, right? एक 3D orbital में कितने number of lobes होते हैं? So basically एक 3D orbital में number of lobes होते हैं 3dxy, 3dxz, 3dyz, and we have 3dx square y square, right? So we can say we have a total number of lobes, that is B. It will go with B, that is 4 lobes. So we can say option number 4 will go with B. Then for the next part we have energy and angular momentum. In chemistry we represent energy and angular momentum by this sign, that is L, right? And hence option 5 will go with E. Then we have option number 6 that says it is the mutual repulsion of atomic electrons. Basically quanta एक ऐसी यूनिट होती है due to with the help of which we tell कि कितनी मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ चेंज या फिर मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ कोई भी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी किसी इंटरेक्शन या फिर रिपल्शन में. एंड हेंस वी कैन से ऑप्शन नंबर 6 विल गो विद जी. देन वी हैव ऑप्शन नंबर 7 विच सेज मास इनटू वेलोसिटी इनटू रेडियस, राइट? सो इट इज बेसिकली connected to orbital motion that represents angular momentum of an electron by Bohr, right? That is either mvr or we can say nh over 2 pi, where we have v is the velocity of the orbit, where v is the velocity, n is the orbit in which the electron is revolving, and m is the mass of electron, and r is the radius of nth orbit, right? So we have option number 7 that will go with D, right? So we have all of our options that are matched now. This is our final answer. I hope you understood. Thank you, students.